Shout out kay Lee Kasumpang.
Okay, tabi-tabi. Maraming naglalaro, tabi-tabi. Baka stand by, Janus, Alisa, Simon, Sophia, Jerwin, Zydwin, Gino, and Maydel, stand by. Paulo, Laura, Kit, and Jen, stand by. Bola, second ball. Guys, isod lang ng konti tayo ha, yung mga nanonood sa gitna. Baka madali tayo ma-aksidente. Oh. Stand by, Sammy and Josh, James, Scott, and Carly. Stand by. Ako na lang kita dyan. Ay, tapos na ito. Okay, meron na tayong finalist para sa ating level D. Ladies, we have Aliyah and Lodi, Ate Emma, and Joy for the finals. Court number 7, Janus, Alisa, Simon, and Sophia. Court number 7. Court 1, Jerwin, Zydwin, Gino, and Maydel. Court number 1. Again, court 1, Jerwin and Zydwin, Gino and Maydel. Court 1. Court 7, we have Janus, Alisa, Simon, and Sophia on court number 7. So guys, tayo nasa anniversary ha, wala tayo sa open tournament. Tayo yung mag-enjoy na, manalo-matalo, mag-enjoy! Malapit na ang buffet! Lodi, nanalo ka ng house and kitchen. Kitchen. Congratulations. One more. One more. One more. May. Ay, picture ko. Nasaan ang picture natin? Kuya, yan. Picture. May, nasaan po si May? Nanalo ka ng raffle? Oo. All representative, go. Nanalo ka ng house and kitchen. Yan. Court number 4. Sunny Josh, James Scott, and Carly. Score 4. Court number 2. Ay, okay. Court 4 again. Sunny and Josh, James Scott, and Carlix. Court number 4. Court 3, okay na ang court 3. Paulo and Laura, Keith and Jen. Court number 3. Again, 3. Paulo and Laura, Keith and Jen. Court number 3. Court number 1. Naglalaro pa ah. Let lang ha, magtatawa lang ako. Okay, court number 5. Court 5. Court number 5, Ate Emma and Marcel, Ruby Ryan. Court number 5. Again, 5, Marcel and Ate Emma, Ruby and Ryan on court number 5. Yaya and Laika, Andre and JM, next available court. Brian and Jen, Cheche and Marcos, stand by. Johnny, Kathy, Dwayne and Lady, next available court. Red and Jerome. Okay, next available court, John and Kathy, Dwayne and Lady, Yayan and Laika, Andre and JM, Shell, Brian and Jen, Cheche and Marcos, stand by, Jerome and Red, Terrence and James, Neil, correction. Gian, Jaja Mitch, Gab and Milan. Isa, Ray, Jam and Riza. Okay, Men's D. Any representative from level Men's D? JJ, Joseph, Nash and Josh, Paulo and George, Zian Ashton, Hubert and Chad, Philip and Paul. Any representative, please? For Drolats lang po ito, Drolats. Rian. Court number 2, John and Kathy, Dwayne and Heidi. Court number 2, John and Kathy, Dwayne and Heidi on court 2. Again, representative from Men's D. Okay, lahat ba na may naglalaro? Lahat may naglalaro? Okay. Saan si JJ? Okay, nandiyan si Nash. Rian, paging Rian. Rian, nandito na yung si Paulo, Nash, Josh. Sino? Okay, Paulo, George. Saan si Paulo? George? George. Sino si George? Okay, pakibunot na lang si George. Sian, Ashton? Sino si Sian? Isa lang sa inyo. Okay, Sian, Ashton. Chad? Okay. Philip, Pao? Okay. Kayo yung mga lumabas sa akin. Alright? Bumunot kayo. Same number na yung makakalapit mo sa quarterfinals. Okay?
Court 6, Yayan Licha versus Andre.